Hi friends, welcome to Naya video channel. Today I would like to share how to promote JVzoo affiliate offers using Adclerks. Adclerks is a advertisement network which is an alternative for buy sell ads. I will show you and how to select the website and how to promote our affiliate JVzoo affiliate products and selecting that product and promoting in Adclerks network. So this is my website eKnowledge Tree, and please visit eKnowledge Tree for more information regarding make money online tips, SEO tips and WordPress tips. So let us go to first JVzoo account. If you don't have an account, you can create a JVzoo account which is free. I'm sharing the link below. You can click and create a account using that link, and you can see this is a menu. You can see the product library. Here you can see the top selling products. You simply select the top selling products in JVzoo, and you can see the list of products displayed in the dashboard is top selling today, top seller yesterday, top seller past 7 days. So from any of these products you can simply select one product and request for the approval for promotion. Suppose if you are looking for suppose your website or any other, if you want to promote, if you are looking for promotion, you can simply select the affiliate product. Suppose if we check a traffic rebirth, this is nothing but a traffic generation website. If you can go and check the sales page here, it will navigate to the sales page. This is the sales page. Check once each and every aspect of the
Hey,
sales
it's
page.
Stefan here, and I'm going to show you exactly how
You
my
can see
partner
here.
Greg and I found a completely new way of getting 100% free traffic, and how it worked incredibly well, turning an easy effort into 30,000.
So you can see the sales page, each and every point, actually how the sales page is built. This is looking good, and provided a lot of information in this, and the sales is like you can see the product is $10. It is worth to buy. Actually you can see the description of the sales page and screenshots they are providing, and also you can see here by using this product you can earn more money using affiliate promotion, and you can also earn using AdSense content. Like this you can earn money using this product traffic birth. Finally, the easy way to get over 30,000 passive visitors every month without ever having to worry about SEO or paid traffic. So this is they are providing the other details, and you can study all these sales page clearly. And if you understand well, you can simply go to the JVzoo page and go for the affiliate details. uh, you can request for the approval. I already added requested for approval. You have an option to send a message. I want to promote this product, and I want to access for 2 days to review your product. You can ask for a details regarding this product to the vendor. You can see the Stephen. You can send a message to him. After sending the message, the status will looks like this. Your status is pending approval. Once you get the approval, you can able to see the affiliate link, and you can take that affiliate link, and if he provide the access for 2 days, you can simply review that product in YouTube or in your website and promote in different ways. And you can also know about the product completely, and you can create a landing page from your end and promote using YouTube and using your website and using a paid traffic, and you can generate some income. So suppose if you go for a, if you have three options like If you have your own website, you can simply, suppose I had a e-knowledge, this is my website. So I requested for the approval. If I get approval, I can write a review on this. I can promote using the review, and I can display the banner ads here. This is I have one option, like having the own website, and I can promote this. And also I had a YouTube channel. I can review the video on that product, and I can create a sales page, and I navigate, and I can collect the emails from the users, and I can send the emails. I can do more using the YouTube videos. So apart from that, another option is paid traffic. So today the topic is how we can promote JVzoo products in Adclerks. You can see this is the Adclerks dashboard. If you register for this Adclerks dashboard, you can see ad marketplace, ad bundles, and top ad zones. If you are looking, if you want to promote your product in single website, you can search for the websites using the categories. Suppose if you want to promote affiliate SEO and marketing, and you can see there is a list of websites. You can see here how much traffic, how much impressions are they are getting, and how much dollars they are charging for per month. You can simply go for it. Suppose this is a traffic generation one, so I need likes and shares. So who are looking for the traffic and also looking for the social shares and likes and link colliders and promotions, the only free SEO booster using social media like this link collider and follow like, all these are all very useful websites. You can promote your traffic rebirth affiliate links here. You can simply search, go to this follow like website. This is their main page. Monthly they are getting like estimated 8,58,000 impressions. They are charging for every 1,000 impressions they are charging 10 cents. So if you don't want to invest like much, you can go for this. This is like a follow like 125 by 125 members only sidebars. So this website has memberships. Those who registered and log into this website, then only you can see then only this banner will be displayed. See, only members only sidebars means registered users can only be seen this banner. So that's why they are offering $5 per day, $5 per 30 days. So it is very cheap. Already two are sold. You can select another one, and you can add to cart, and you can purchase this using advertisers dashboard. You can see my campaigns. You can create the campaigns here. You can add to cart and purchase that one. Simply what are the ads you are running, you can check here in your dashboard, and you can see the waitlist. If you want to promote your banner in different website, if that banner is already filled, you can add to your waitlist. Once that advertisement is free, the waitlist will be shown that you can continue for to promote your affiliate banner in that website. So you can see there are also offering ad bundles. You can simply go for ad bundles if you want to invest. If you want to get more millions of impressions, you can see here there is a bundle of websites creating as an affiliate and marketing bundle. By simply clicking in this, you can see if you spend $311, 1.2 million impressions you will get, and your placement, your ad will be placed in 20 placements. These are all the website they are showing. These are all are affiliate and SEO category. You can simply see your ad will be displayed in all these websites. So this is one of the method you can promote your affiliate links. Suppose if you get a 1.2 millions of impressions, then you will get lots of clicks, and you can generate more sales using these direct advertisements. Suppose if you are using a paid traffic like a bot and a proxy traffic, it will not work out. This is genuine, and if you are promoting your affiliate banner in websites, this is one of the key point you need to notice, that you will get a organic traffic as well as direct traffic from to these websites, and you can get it, you have a more chances to conversions. And if you generate more traffic, there is a lot of chances to get more conversions, and you can get more income using these ad clerks. You can search for websites here. You can go for 1 month, try 1 month period and try whether your offer is working or not. If your offer is not working, you can go for another website. You can try 2 3 websites. If your offer is working in one website, you can promote in that website continuously. So this is, if you don't have JVzoo affiliate promotion registration, you can simply go to the comment section and click that link and register to JVzoo, and also register to Adclerks. By using these two systems, you can generate some income using affiliate marketing. For more videos, please subscribe to Naya Video channel. Please like and share Naya Video channel. Thank you very much.